Alright guys, we're here at the Congress Plaza Hotel, and these are the odd number elevators here in Chicago. These things are really old. While we take a look at this beautiful hotel here. Wow. Get some vintage peely escalators. These elevators. It's funny. I watched both elevators close. This is hilarious. Capacity is no more than 10 people. I love those indicators. Look at that. Check this out. We got Chicago Elevator Company. Hi. $14. $14 floor. Going down. Oh, the indicator used to be up there.
Where's it now?
Going down to 1. Chicago Elevator Company. Very nice elevators. Mirrors everywhere. Hello. I don't like these pictures at all. And here are 1.
Lobby.
Right. It's pretty nice. Well, that's just this thing, but I guess that is going to be it.